Hello everyone. In this video, I will give you the important points to score good band in writing task 2. And you should make sure that you should practice these points to get higher bands in Ielts task 2. The first point is read your question twice. What it means is that you have to read your questions 2 or 3 times so that you must be clear with the type of question, either it is advantages, disadvantages, agree, disagree, or anything else. So you have to read your question twice or thrice so that you must be clearly understood the type of question. The next point is essay must have a clear structure. That is, we have to write our essay in 4 parts, that is introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and conclusion. And you should sure about that intro and conclusion paragraph must be more than just a repeat or paraphrase of the question. If you are rephrasing your task, that is rephrasing your question, you don't have to repeat in intro and conclusion. You have to write something more extra than rephrasing. Next is direct thesis statement. Your essay must be clear with the direct thesis statement line about two distinct points in parallel grammar form. That is, in which way you are writing, that must be clear to the examiner. Next, you have to connect your ideas, use complex and compound sentences so that your essay must flow in a smooth manner with complex and compound sentences. You don't have to use simple sentences, you have to use complex or compound sentences. You have to answer task 2 very clearly. The essay must answer the topic. You have to clearly answer the topic, controlling your ideas about ideas that exactly with specific examples from your experience, or you should support your experience with the explanation. Apart from this, what we have to do to score good bands, that is, you should control your word limit and time. We all know we have some word limit about task 2, that is 250 to 270 words, and we have to complete this task in 40 minutes. So you should take care about this thing also. If this thing exceeds, your band will reduce. You don't have to repeat your words. Suppose we are having a word customer. We don't have to write customer everywhere. What we have to do is we have to use synonyms. Instead of customer, we can write client, consumer, patron, regular purchaser or shopper, buyer, user. These type of synonyms we have to use. We don't have to repeat word. Before starting your task 2, you have to pause, think about the point, and then you have to write. Don't jump into writing instantly. Firstly, you should think about what you have to write. Don't waste your time while writing and erasing your sentences. Pause, think, and then write. While writing, you must take care of your spellings, punctuations, and grammar, because these are also the tasks which help to score higher bands. And you have to use your topic sentences to explain your task. So these are some of the points that will help you to score good bands. I hope you will like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.